everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about seafood. I'm going to show you guys how to make the best Cajun butter lobster tail of your life. It is so quick, absolutely mouth-watering. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please take a quick moment to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, do not forget to thumbs it up and let's get started. To begin, we are using 3 lobster tail. I am going in by cleaning the legs. I don't know what you call these, but I call them the legs. So I'm going to use my handy dandy scissors and just cut them off. And you do need a sharp scissors for this recipe, or you can use a knife, but scissors or kitchen shears is the best way to go. Now we are going to butterfly the lobster, or break the shell just like this. Something like this. You got to make sure you do it in one go, because if there's little pieces of the shell in the meat, it's not so good, not so good. And also I'm going underneath the meat so I can lift that beautiful succulent meat right up. Just like this. That's why sometimes you have to make sure you cut it all the way. Kind of like this to make sure you pull it out completely. Something like this, pretty much. All right, guys, I have my lobster nice and ready. I have about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter here. I am going to season it with a little bit of the Island Vibe Cajun seasoning. Also, we have some Old Bay in here as well. We're going to add some chopped onion. Yes, you hear me right. Make sure it's finely chopped. Also, we have about 3 cloves of garlic going in. We have some fresh parsley going in. Also, we have a little bit of lemon juice. Can't forget about that. Squeeze that in and give that a nice little stir. It's going to be so good. And this is how we're looking like so far. Now I'm going to take that beautiful seasoned garlic, Cajun butter, and just pour it all over my lobster. Actually, let's get the back first. Going to pour that all over the back of it, and as well as on top, just like this. A lot of people seems to forget the back of the lobster. Don't make that mistake, okay? Ooh, that looks so good. That looks so good, and it smells amazing. This recipe will literally take you about roughly 20 minutes, not even. Yes, we're going to bake this quick, easy, delicious. Let me grab my baking dish. Now you just grab your baking dish and just add your lobster tail. Just like this. Oh, these look so good. Now I'm going to pour that butter on top. Oh, yes, ma'am. Beautiful, delicious. Now, I have my oven preheating on 350. I'm going to place this in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now we wait. All right, guys, our lobster tails are done. Come take a look. It looks absolutely delish. It is time for the taste test, you guys. I cannot wait. Let's dive in. Look at that, absolutely buttery. Let's give it a try. Oh yes. This is really, really, really good. Absolutely delicious. Gotta add that lemon juice on top. Oh. If you never tried any recipes of mine, today's your day. Try this out. That Cajun seasoning, you can literally taste it. It's so flavorful. The butter, everything is just so amazing with this recipe. I hope you guys give it a try soon because this is a 10 out of 10 in my book. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, like and share. I will see you guys on the next delicious recipe. Bye.